Oh my gosh, I'm gonna eat the whole thing. Let's just do it and see what happens, but you never know, it could be amazing. I'm just kidding, this is fun though, it really is fun. What's up, me-fun? Today's a super exciting day. Come with me. Terminal 2 here at the Taiwan airport because something monumental. Brad, my brother, is coming back to Taiwan. Look at this right here. 现在就是晚上10点27分，他的飞机等一下就会降落。然后这个是好像我在3年的第一次看到我哥哥，他大概3、4年前都是来到台湾，现在终于可以回来，我们一起可以欢迎台湾的辣泡面之王回来台湾。 我没有耐心，
紧张吗？
不是紧张，就很开心。这个是我的大哥，其实是我的二哥，我们的关系很好。他4年前来到台湾，3年前原来要来台湾的是因为疫情，我们要取消他第2次来台湾的那个行程，现在就可以再次跟他玩得很开心。Okay, so we just made a mistake. Okay. Shoot. Oh, let's go. We went to the wrong terminal. His flight moved to Terminal 1. He just landed. 不知道我们的时间能不能足够的时间教他 I don't know. So 应该下去倒车。 Any second now, after like 80 seconds, this guy could be walking through. Oh, hell, that's spicy king! Yeah! Thank you. How are you? Good. Oh my god. 4 years. 4 years, dude. 4 years. 4 years. 4. It's been 3 years since I've seen you. 4 since you've been on Taiwan solo. I can eat some beef noodle right about now. Yeah. This was the original meeting spot for you. Oh, welcome to Taiwan. Yay! Okay. If you guys do not know, which every one of you guys should know, this is Brad, my brother, my mentor, my life guidance counselor. I don't know about that. But what he is he is the spicy noodle king. 3 million views on eating Taiwan's spiciest, the world's spiciest noodles. He's back for round 2 of Taiwan, not the noodles. Oh, okay. Depends if I want to die or not. It's bad then. Bro, we're gonna do the most Taiwanese thing possible. It's called xiaoye. Say it with me. Xiaoye. Midnight snacks. Because Taiwan's known for having midnight food. Beef noodles. Everybody loves beef noodles, right? It's, what time is it, man? Time to eat some noodles. Why don't you eat that? I would. It was snowing this morning, man. It was snowing. Wow. That's a lot of noodles. Okay. All right. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna eat the whole thing. Oh my gosh. Is that yummy? Very good. It's 12:30. 12:30. They have a big bowl of noodles. So we're right here in Taoyuan, something special, 24 hours. The store never closes. And always have big people are in here. That's crazy. Wow. And it's a perfect amount of spice. It's like not very spicy, which is good. Won't screw my stomach up. A lot of beef in this bowl. No longer any beef. There was though, a lot of protein. In just a moment, we're actually going to cut to brunch because you got to enjoy some brunch for this video. Okay. But A big welcoming thing. Every time I get him a bag, I'm assuming some kind of spicy noodle. Yeah! Woo! Hail the Mijang gods for bringing... Oh, this one is also good, huh? Right? Taiwanese beef jerky. Hey! That I can get down with. Oh. Bottoms up to Taiwan, baby. That's actually really good. For the 2023 Brad's Return to Taiwan tour. Good morning, Brad. What's up, bro? What's going on?
Just have my hands out the window.
Why?
Because it's so nice. I know it's a little chilly for you guys, but oh my gosh.
So
I left snow at home.
Yeah, it was snowing.
It was snowing when I left.
Insane. So today is officially the first real day of Brad here in Taiwan.
I'm gonna eat more food than I've been eating and getting better. Like, I'm gonna lose some weight while I'm here. You think that's possible, right?
No, that's not possible. That's 100% impossible.
No, because the food quality's better.
What did you see outside the window that you said you love?
Pineapples.
Pineapples. Let's go. Get out the car.
Back home, I buy pineapples every week.
Oh, pineapple's my favorite.
I'm gonna try it. It's so good. Wow.
Dun dun dun. Oh my god. How do you eat it? I don't know.
Just peel it off and dump it.
Wow.
Wow. That's really good. Whoa. Okay, go. That is the biggest. I've never seen one this big, especially with this type of bun.
So she said this is more of a Taiwanese-based style fried chicken.
Okay.
On the croissant.
That is without doubt the best croissant I've ever had in my life. I came here, I spent 13 days traveling all around Taiwan with Logan last time. You guys might remember, of all the places I've been, this is the best one. Of all of them. Like, what in the world?
It's a croissant. Waffle. And on top loaded with Oreos.
What? You too? Crazy. Ow. Temple?
Yep.
Hi. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, spicy noodle cake. Did you see that? Spicy noodle. Look, bro, if I don't get those characters tattooed on me, am I really the spicy noodle kid?
Perfect, bro. Perfect. Freaking. Welcome to Taiwan, Brad. This whole series coming your way is going to be absolutely fantastic because this next 2 weeks, you're going to be experiencing a whole different Taiwan than you had in the past.
You know what? I've only been here a few hours. I'm completely full. So we've done nothing but eat since I've woken up and since I got here. And let me just tell you, it's been 100% different so far. I'm kind of glad. So I was actually going to come back in 2020.
Yeah.
And we know why I couldn't. And since then, Logan has found so much more, so I'm glad I didn't come.
Yep.
Waited an extra 3 years. Here we are, getting ice cream. I'm so full. You see what I mean?
So he originally said he's going to get thinner here in Taiwan. I think the question is, how much bigger is he going to get? Except for at the end, he's going to work it off with a 112K bike ride. Hai bei, kuai lai bei, mi jia wan sui.
I'm just kidding. This is fun though. It really is. Wow.
This backpack is heavy.
Can I join your tribe? I am blown away. My stomach is full. My mind is happy. This was an absolute win, Logan. You killed it today. I'm so grateful for you. This was the day to remember.
Wait.
Beyond just being fun, it was like surreal, you know? I loved it. I can't breathe! Classic. how sore I'm gonna be tomorrow? No! Spiciest dish. That is good. Bro, that happen's good.
Same, bro. This is by far the hottest I've ever left in a building. I might have the giggles because it's so amazing.
What are you doing? She hasn't even sat down yet. Oh, I could just shave it. I could just... Jayo, 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 jayo. Woke up and I was fine. I mean, I was sore everywhere else, but I woke up and I just stretched and then my neck just... Ooh. Dude, so Dude, that looks good. Real red. Holds all the flavor. Restaurants everywhere. I would get very, very fat in this city. Go! Yes, brother! We're all experienced 10 out of 10. Yocho, it is this little beautiful island right off the coast from Kaohsiung, and this is your name all over it. We're talking barbecues, we're talking so much fish, which is awesome. So,
Too long?
No, it's not too long, I just did a lot of things.
Yeah.
That bike race made an impact on me, for sure. And it made me realize what I could not do. And I don't like to not be able to do something. You are now a Taiwan food expert. Eat on, live on, Mijang forever.
How long do you love that?
Oh man, for the first 3 weeks, maybe
Every day, 3 times. 3 times every day.
Yes, Nancy.
Okay.
Yeah.